Hello everyone! Today, I will be cooking my own version of Pinoy Beef Mechado. These are the ingredients. We need beef cut into cubes. This was already marinated overnight in soy sauce and lemon. We also need garlic, onions, green chilies if you want to add an extra kick to your beef mechado, bell pepper. You may use green, red, or a combination of the two, dahon ng laurel or dried bay leaf, potatoes cut into cubes, carrots. I used baby carrots in this video, green peas, canned tomatoes. You may also use fresh ripe tomatoes, about 3 to 4 pieces, tomato sauce, and beef cubes. Of course, we will also be needing some cooking oil, water, salt, and pepper to taste. The exact measurements of the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Turn on the heat and pour some oil in the pan. I usually put the garlic even when the oil is not yet hot, for this will make the oil absorb the garlic. As you smell the aroma of the garlic and when it already sizzles, you may then add the onions. Sauté the onion and garlic for 2 minutes or until cooked. Now, you may add the green chilies into your pan. Continue cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, you may put the beef, including the marinade. Continue cooking until brown. Add in tomatoes and tomato sauce. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring and cutting the tomatoes into pieces. Add water and beef cubes. Bring to boil and add the bay leaves. Stir well. And then cover. Simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the beef is tender. Add the potatoes, and bell pepper. Stir and cook for another 10 minutes. Add the baby carrots and green peas. Stir and cook again for another 5 to 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir well. Then serve and enjoy. I hope you like my recipe of beef mechado, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!